Thank you so much for the support from
Alright, doesn't win this game.
Remembrance Choose
07.
Guide.
07
In the
to this
comments,
jungler.
a lot of people had questions regarding how to get the required blessings, how to increase chances of freezing, which characters can be replaced, and what an actual run looks like. So in this
So if you're a fan of Blue Lock and don't already know, Blue Lock has a spin-off manga called Episode Nagi, which showcases a different perspective of Blue Lock from another character's eyes, Nagi Seishiro. It's the same Blue Lock, but you get more development of some of these other characters, the same amazing art and story, and we even get to see other perspectives throughout.
I mean, they got Wei Wei, which in theory was an upgrade, but...
If you finish the original manga, this is a perfect way of getting more Blue Lock, or if you're a Nagi fan. However, up until this point, Episode Nagi has been recapping the events of Blue Lock, all the things we've already seen, like the Team V versus Team Z game, Nagi and Isagi going through the second selection, and stuff like that. It hasn't really added any plot points or revealed any unknown information we haven't seen, up until this bombshell of a chapter that we just got, which may have just revealed or foreshadowed the downfall of two major characters. And this is what this video is about, how the most recent chapter of Episode Nagi just revealed those two characters' downfalls. We'll be going over the evidence, what I think, and how I think they'll execute it for the future of Blue Lock, so let's hop into it. Alright, so the point we are at in Episode Nagi is the second selection arc, and like I said earlier, it's all things that we have already seen. So it's every battle in the second selection we've already seen in the original Blue Lock, like the 2v2 with Baro, 3v3 with Ray.
Nautilus. First in ult. Holy fuck, Ruler's still full HP. Cozy Campfire. Yeah, it's hard to straight up hook onto them because they have melee ult and Tinza ult for disengage. Oh, but Nikla's here. Oh, nice, they got that ward. Your Gal TP was really good for that ward. Man, Anal, he really wants to gank that lane.
Bring me up inside! Bring me up
Steal. Oh, Sheer TP'd. Oh, Sheer! Nice W flash by Maggie. Spawn Faker.
Alright, okay, I'll go with it. Yeah! I did it! Last minute, save, baby!
When will Faker retire? Faker will retire in 2026, at the end of 2025. Because I think he said he'll retire. His dad said that Faker's dad basically said he'll retire when he's 30. And that's when he turns 30, 2025, he turns 30. In 2026, he turns 30. Maybe at the end of 2026, so maybe 2 more years, 3 more years?
How? How did that not hit him? Thank you for the tits. Don't get scared, grab me. Crap. I'm gonna make it! Yes! Yes, 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 let's go! God, girl. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Look at it! It's so cute! Yes, 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 yes! Come on!
Man, this 3-man really wants to get ruler, doesn't it? I'm not a fan of this Draven build. He almost into less whisper, like, it's really big damage.
Yay! Hey, yes!
I think RA has lost this. Nico TP was a bit too much though. Is there a second coming of Faker? Yeah, there is actually one player who is mimicking what Faker once did, and is like following the track of Faker. He has 4 letters in his name.
Oh, what? I swear I don't.
Obi the goat. Obi the goat.
機械製造部の成果をなめるな。機械製造部の成果をなめるな。地獄で己が非力さを悔やむといい。
Does that get them Herald?
穏便に解決しましょう。あなたたちで私の研究成果を試させてもらいます。
その身をちりとかせ。
I have to check something. Mandarin to English.
こだわりなさい。野心、鋼鉄、地、そして悲鳴。
穏便に解決しましょう。
ロックオン。
その身をちりとかせ。
Okay.
機械製造部の成果をなめるな。やはり私たち2人は無敵だな。そうだろ、副部長。
So, this Poppy's name is Nayu. Okay, it looks like anal you, but it's not. It's Nayu. But look what Nayu means. What the fuck? What the fuck? Yo. The plot thickens. It means butter? Wait, really?
Think about it. Oh.
So his name is R.A. Butter?
Yes. Yes.
Oh, yeah, go. Yeah, you could see it from a mile away. It was coming.
Yes. Hi, monster.
Ooh, nice shockwave. It's not butter. It's cream. Oh.
Alright, we're gonna pour. Ready? That was salt. That was a lot of salt. Look at that, guys. Did it. Oh my goodness. 3, 2, 1.
なんと退屈なのでしょう。
So spicy! No! I can't do it! I can't do it! Oh, it gets worse! It gets worse! Play the song! Play the song. I don't wanna play anymore, but I'm gonna.
「ちゃんと私の後ろにいてくださいね」
味気ない。 ちゃんと私の後ろにいてください。手加減はしていられませんの。いつ来ても戦場ってやはり私。では部活の成果を見せる時だ。やはり手加減はしていられませんの。手加減はしていられませんの。本気出すのは機械製造部の成果をなめるな。機械製造部の成果をなめるな。機械製造部の成果をなめるな。やはり